Hello guys, and you're welcome to the Unity Visual Effect Graph course for beginners. This is a gentle approach to learning visual effects in Unity. A little bit about myself. My name is Mahmoud Shoaib. I'm an engineer slash computer programmer and hobbyist artist. I have 7 projects on the Unity platform, which range from Photoshop design, building applications, GUI applications with Python, beginner courses with Python programming, Unity shader graph, C# programming, and data wrangling. I just quickly want to show you what we'll be building in this course. So after we begun our introduction and setup, I'll show you how you can create scenes using the visual effect graph and how to do some minor installations. We'll start with a Spark project like so. We're going to be building this project from scratch. After then, we're going to actually build some fire. So I'll open up the fire scene to quickly show you the fire we're going to build, and then we're going to edit those fires. So I'll show you how you can create multiple versions of that fire. Next, we'll be creating some comets, and also we'll create this cutout effect that resembles cutting out a sci-fi effect. Next, we're also going to see how we can build some flares, such as the flares we can actually see, and have another version of our flare with our cutouts. So next, I'm also going to show you how we can build a simple portal, and it's an example portal. It shows us how that works. We're also going to be learning how to use some pyrotechnics, which basically are fireworks. And finally, we're going to round up our course by building a solar project, as you can see below. So that's a course roundup and summary. Each section is going to have the asset files available, so you can actually look through and make some customizations as you see deemed fit. So I can't wait to get started. Thank you very much for subscribing to the course, and let's begin learning how to create VFX.